Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to show you a simple and effective way to clear the web cache in the Picsart app. If your app is running slowly or showing outdated content, clearing the cache can help improve performance and free up storage on your device. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Once it loads, look at the top right and tap the three-dot menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings to open the app's Configuration options. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find the Web Cache option. Tap on it, and a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to clear the cache. Finally, click on Yes to confirm. The web cache will now be cleared, helping the app run smoother and load content faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.